Financial Advisor tells you today 5 relevant tricks for creating a resume that will definitely get noticed. 1. Choose an easy-to-read format. When an HR manager or potential employer receives your resume, they don't immediately start reading. Most likely, your addressee will simply look at the summary at the beginning and start reading directly only if the formatting of the document is conducive to this. Therefore, it is worth paying attention not only to the content of your resume, but also to its organization on the page or pages. Use subheadings and lists, the same font, and left alignment, so the text will look more organized and tidy. 2. Start with experience, not education. If you are not a recent graduate and are already looking for a job with experience, it is better to start from this point. A resume is not an autobiography. Here you can arrange the stages of your career in order of importance to the employer, and not in chronological order. You can supplement the experience section with data on internships and volunteering, if they are somehow related to your occupation. For example, you are an SMM manager who, as a volunteer, creates and develops a Facebook page for a charity project. 3. Use keywords. Adding a number of keywords related to your specialization and experience in the title and body of your resume will help you stand out from other candidates, and it will be easier for an employer to find your resume for a specific query. The keywords can be the names of computer programs and applications that you used in previous jobs, positions that you previously held. Subscribe to the channel and find out useful information about business every day. 4. Add a block with achievements. Include your professional, educational, or personal accomplishments in your resume. These achievements should reflect your contribution, which has had a positive impact on the company where you used to work. It is also desirable that achievements be represented by quantifiable indicators. Incorporating metrics, data, and statistics to further showcase your accomplishments will allow potential employers to see your value and potential impact on their business. Keep it short, describing your accomplishments simply yet vividly. If the reader doesn't wrinkle their brow as they skim through your resume, you've done it, says resume writer Matthew Warzel. 5. Go beyond one page. Top resume career expert Amanda Augustine says there's no need to cut your resume down to a one-page document. Most professionals, whether they have 8 or 18 years of experience, should aim for a 2-page resume, she shares. Augustine points to a study analyzing feedback from 500 recruiters, hiring managers, and HR professionals who found they were 2.3 times more likely to read a 2-page resume than a 1-page resume. But if you are new to employment, just graduated and have little experience, do not use this recommendation yet and do not try to stretch your resume over 2 pages. Let it be better one, but meaningful. The HR will understand that you save his time and appreciate your care. Bonus: how to edit your resume. After completing your resume, always check it several times to make sure it is free of errors. This is a very important part of the resume creation process. Here are some tips for effective proofreading. Scroll through your resume section by section and watch out for grammatical and spelling errors. After the initial proofreading, take a break and come back to editing again after a while. Print out a copy and read it again. Ask a friend, family member, or mentor to read your resume. After final editing, your resume is ready. Forward to conquer employers. Now our other videos have appeared on the screen. We invite you to watch them and also subscribe to the channel.